Yori, you might be able to necro me from inside. I'm very close. I'm on this side of the train car.
Okay.
It's the other one. Hell yeah, brother. That's what I'm talking about. Problem.
I made noise to distract them. I'm gonna try to get Keegan.
No, I'm healing. Away from the bee lady.
I'm gonna try to get Keegan.
Okay, that's fine.
Sounded like the last dude had Overwatch on them. Might be a little further away.
Yeah, I'm kind of watching that body. You see him?
Yes, I hit him once.
Good shit.
Other people are still there.
So I threw a chaos bomb. I baited him.
You baited me.
Nice. Wow, we got more hunters over here. More players in the next compound over.
Give me a
Ooh, get
oh,
fucked.
Slugs. Did you kill one?
Yeah, I picked up this dude's federally. Got a headshot. Who was at this door? We got hunters on the way. About to cross the river next to
Where
me.
they coming from?
Oh, I'm just gonna blow him up.
Southeast.
Where's he at?
Near the bridge. Walking across the water.
Let me on fire.
I'm not going to move. I'm going to let him hopefully walk past me. But
That should kill him. Yori, can you come loot this lootable?
I can try.
I can show you where it's at. Just come to me. Did the rain stop?
I'm gonna trap this sliding door. Where's it at? The sliding door.
Oh, I don't know.
Right here. I got it.
Their hunters are moving in.
Yeah.
Oh, I got another lootable. Don't worry about it.
Where's it at?
I said don't worry about it. Where are they right now? They're inside with me. Killed one.
Got one.
Killed two.
Good shit. I killed the third.
There's your slug kills.
Yeah.
Those fucking
There's,
monkeys. They all three rushed me.
Wait, you killed three?
Points too.
No, I killed two, but
Oh, okay. The third one was outside of the compound.
God, they fucking dropped the ball right there.
And this dude had a pair of cultural conversions. Or,
Yeah.
yeah. But he did not spam them. He's firing way too slow.
Yeah, that's the most accurate set in the game too. Like you need to be firing those like you're fucking on drugs. Was that a dog? Did I just hear a dog growl?
Put it
Of
here.
course. I'm gonna be up here watching one of them bodies.
I'm going to get death cheat. The one that you killed, Keegan?
Crows. More crows.
I'm getting
West.
death cheat and coming back. The one that you killed, I shot with the quad derringer twice. Oh fuck!
What is it?
Player's near me.
Okay.
No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, fine.
Range is picked up.
Fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's
Picked
fine.
up, yeah.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine. No, 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 no. They don't have two explosive crossbows. That's not what just shot at me. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm throwing a chaos bomb their direction.
Yeah, they just came over to the supply too, I guess.
I didn't take death cheat. It didn't go off because I stepped away too quick.
I'm gonna... Shit. I think we gotta grab the bounty and run towards Jacob here.
I'm here. I'm here.
Right.
Oh, you're here. Nice.
Don't do that.
Okay. Yeah, we got... Oh, shit.
Then upstairs are trapped too.
They are, like, right behind you, Jacob.
That's someone else as well.
Yep.
Hey, you know the good news though? That I can pick up somebody's guns in here. Now I'm out of slugs. Those guns. What gun is this guy? Oh. That's what I'm talking about.
We waiting in here?
Yep.
Alright.
That should have been a headshot. All I could see was his head. Come on.
push that door, Yuri. I'm gonna pitchfork whoever comes through it with the tomahawk kill.
Figure out where I am eventually.
That team behind is not coming up, the one you ran into for some reason.
They went back to get their bounty from Chapel.
Oh. I see.
We think the one guy y'all are shooting at is a solo for the 2 that we killed earlier?
No.
We killed
no, we
three
killed all
earlier.
3 earlier.
Oh, we killed all 3? Okay.
There's 3 dudes out there.
Oh, one's close.
God, I can't hear shit in the rain. That dude ran right up on me.
The rain's calming down. Oh, did Del do the rolling door?
He did. He did. Nice. At the rolling door. I think they're all going around that side.
I missed with the pitchfork. You can get me up if you want.
Other bounties moving in. What gun am I going to have out? I'm not going to have any ammo for it.
You need to heal, Yuri.
Yep.
That's Keegan. That's Keegan.
That's me. That's me.
You want to necro me, Yuri? Element of surprise. I'm burning.
Yeah, I'll do it. You can watch them stepping ladder.
Yep.
Yep.
I died from outside to an explosive
There's the other
crossbow.
team. Really want these guys to start fighting each other. Fucker.
That's a guy.
Oh, god damn it. Like, that doesn't look like Yuri.
Just let him fight, Yuri.
Get at the bottom of the ladder.
Yeah.
You killed another.
Nice.
You need to stay hidden. They can see you.
There's windows.
Probably get
Feel
one of
it.
us up again. I think they're
Yeah.
fighting.
Go for
You're not
Jacob.
in the wait. Keegan's in the concertina, I think.
He's under the
Might
concertina.
be. I don't know how far away
But
it
you can
went,
get
but
me
get
if you
Jacob.
want.
Yeah.
Somebody might be behind you. Oh, yep, you did.
What a shit show. You can try to revive me if you want to, Yuri. I think I have resilience.
Hopefully you don't die.
Yeah, I have resilience.
Where's our roof? They're trying to bomb me out.
Yeah, they are.
There's one inside.
I lifted up the crank door. I'm gonna try to go around the side.
Bullshit! He's bleeding bad. On my body.
Man, they both have fanning.
You can necro me again, Yuri. I don't give a shit. If I die, I die. That's Keegan.
I know. Where are you at?
Right over there. West.
Oh fuck, when did that hole appear?
I think it's my last bar. Wish me luck.
Look.
Funny.
Someone just got shot and killed in the house.
Yeah, give me Yuri.
Get you?
Yeah.
Alright.
Fuck it.
Bullshit! Dude, I fucking hate fanning on the Caldwell chain so much. Yeah, he's in there with chain. He's in the grate. Pushing you. Oh, he's dead. The guy that killed me, that just picked up those bounties, has a Spectre.
Oh. It's raining. The spectators.
That's it. You could revive me now if you wanted to.
Coming for Jake.
You can't. Keegan has to do it with a bounty.
Don't I have a bounty?
Oh, you
I
might
got
actually.
two of them. That's everyone, they're all dead.
Yo, Remedy! Let's get that. Is that your beetle?
Nope.
Oh, you got me. This is the chaos bomb I'm throwing out.
Fuck. I can see the top of my head.
Do that. Oh god, there's multiple bows out there.
There's also a Sparks or something far west, like in the church. What's that? Oh, someone's in. Someone's in. Fuck me.
That fucking feather spooked the shit out of me.
Yeah, that Sparks is in the church tower.
What's that?
You.
It's gonna be
Yori traded.
Traded.
My turn. No, I've got a shotgun.
My trap. I'm so sorry if it isn't.
No, that was one of
you-
them.
Okay, good.
I traded.
You traded.
I killed 2 of them. Be able to stick me.
I'm spooked.
They're just gonna come up next to me. Yep.
The bounty. I just take. He got me put up.
I killed him.
Just the one up. There's still ending up in my traps. I'm sorry.
Nice. Crack,
Window.
crack
The
him.
door.
What in the world did he hit?
Hit
You're
my
a
The trap?
No, the trap!
Wait, I'm killing myself. Hang on.
You don't have to necro me. You can just revive
No,
me.
that you're all both dead.
Oh,
It's me to
jeez.
do that.
Swamp. East.
Yeah, they're running up right now, Jake.
Thank you.
They threw bees at Keegan's body.
Think I fear your bees? Wow.
Who
They
died?
died in Yori's
Traps?
concertina. Bunch of dingoes.
That's one of them in here with me. Fuck. They'd cut their way through the concertina.
Oh, you got him! I'm going to get a bounty so I can get Yori up. Yeah, there's one still under there.
Oh, okay.
I think he's on Yori's body.
Well, that killed me with a shotgun.
I hit him. He's a running.
Sealed.
Hit him again.
Dropping down behind. Oh, blew his ass up.
Yeah, I didn't realize they came in through the concertina, like they cut their way in.
That was a sneaky place for him to be.
Yeah, there's also a little hole right here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
I'm getting ammo back because I've been doing a lot of goofy shooting, so.
Yeah, let's
I
go.
probably actually should do the same. I've got 5 shots left.
Yeah, that's good.
I mean, I haven't been doing that goofy of shooting.
I killed 2 armoreds
That's
across
up to
the
the
water,
sparks.
Yori.
Oh,
I killed 2
I'm actually-
armoreds across the water. Are you good?
nice. Yeah, I'm good. It was only 4 that needed to die.
So they died after.
Yeah, you severely cut down the armor population. They are now an endangered species.
I feel so bad.
That might be for the best.
Yeah, there are only 2
It's
varieties
screaming.
of grape.
Oh, shut up.
Ow. Bitch.
Oh!
Nice.
I had shot him with an explosive ammo.
Bam. I have to turn overlays on. I'm gonna shoot you guys. Okay. There's you, Yori.
Those are me.
I killed him again. Uh-oh, that's bleed ammo.
I'm down.
Oh, he's gonna kill me with a beetle! Is that your beetle?
That's my beetle.
Save me, save me, save me, save me, save me.
They pulled back to the back of the building.
Right there?
Yeah.
The spider's in there, I might go kill it.
Who's on the right side?
Yeah.
Oh, tagged 2 of them. One's burning.
Oh, someone took a shot at me. Oh, it was outside the door. I ran out to it. I'm an idiot. That's perfectly safe.
Shh, 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 shh. God damn it.
Damn. How did he...
Live?
Was that an uppercut?
Yeah.
Or the upper mat?
Yeah.
Huh.
I thought I had it.
Did they go north?
Is the clue still screaming? It stopped,
No,
right?
I'm fighting him.
Huh? Oh, they're in the woods? You're alone.
That's fine, I killed him.
All of them?
It's just a solo.
Oh.
Oh, I lied.
Can you ping? Oh, I see. Oh, there's 2 more over there. Ooh, it's getting stormy.
Killed another.
I got the
Killed
other
him.
one.
Oh, you got him? Good. That's another team.
I think the storm makes the
another
crows
team.
fly
Crows.
away.
There's a gator clue. I guess the gator's on the map.
I would love it if the gator clue points us all the way back up to light.
They didn't pick it up. They didn't pick it up. There we go.
That was a slurp.
It was. Beetle. God damn, I shot it. I shot it with a Bornheim from like a mile away somehow.
Nice shot.
Dead there.
Nice shot.
There's a rock drop range.
Was it? Yep.
What the hell is it? Oh, yep, see, way up the fuck up.
This may be a terrible idea. I'm accepting that risk.
They revived. They both picked up now. Dynamite.
Tap on the mine.
Wow.
Did they kill one another?
I think there might be two teams here.
There's another team here.
I trapped the mine exit.
One's peeking that little hole right there.
Killed one with a bomb lance that was Russian Yori.
I got a hit. I don't know if I traded.
Two people
might
just
have.
died.
I might have traded. I don't know.
Oh, did you hit that dude with the crossbow?
I think so.
He bled out, yeah.
I got markers.
I slugged somebody.
Just Springfield over here.
I'm gonna reload.
Did you just heal Keegan?
Yep.
Okay.
I burned bomb lance, man. So that'll get them moving.
Somebody else has a crossbow. Did you just shoot that at me, or?
Nope.
You son of a bitch.
It's someone else. No, seriously, it is someone else.
Fanning at me. Above me.
Pack's poison. Got the one above you.
Keegan.
One in this building. There's another above. I'm gonna slurp that bounty.
Do it.
Slurp
Push me
complete.
around this corner.
Yes, they are. Shot the one on the wall. He's hiding in this little corner house. Uh-oh.
Springfield over here.
Oh, please. Oh, please. Oh, fuck.
Markers on that. Got the Springfield.
Got this one. Mosin sniper. One under me, two over there.
Still one way over here. I don't have any more healing.
Say one under you?
Two under me.
Tag that dude from far away.
I feel like that's in the building or outside the building.
There, you asshole.
Under me. Not sure. Here's an idea. We'll find out.
You guys see any healing anywhere?
Not yet.
Oh, someone's in there.
I'm like out of ammo and fucker.
Come to me, there's two guns on me. Oh, fuck.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was coming for the bounty.
I shit my pants a little bit there.
I'm out of healing.
Three up.
There's one outside of the compound.
I can't take another hit. I gotta find healing somewhere.
There is still one, I think, in the big building. Either that or it's on the wall past it.
Right here, Keegan. Right here. Come to me.
Okay, see it.
I'm out of sight.
Was that dude first floor?
No, it looks second floor, so it's probably the wall. Don't come back up here, guys. I'm trapping the body.
There's that
Where?
motherfucker. Springfield.
I'm getting Keegan up. Run, Keegan, run!
I killed the one that pushed you. There's one still alive. Where is he?
In that house.
How did he shoot me?
Got that one.
I'm pushing.
Jesus, finally,
We
thank you.
Fucking wrecked that guy.
Alright, so there's still some in the house.
I'll tell you in a second. 3 coming from the gator. Get new guns.
Wow. Yori, I'm gonna assume you're good on crossbow.
Someone good on crossbow too. I'm grabbing a new gun. Is this shotgun? No, this is Winfield. That's still good. Oh, fuck!
Hell yeah.
Somebody just got
Yeah.
trapped,
one
I
of
think.
One of them got in my trap, yeah.
Oh no!
Keegan ended up in the trap.
Well, good thing I saw a healing container at the bottom of that ladder.
There's one in the compound, one out. Those are me.
Still haven't found any healing.
There's another dead guy in here with another fucking crossbow. One northwest, one northeast, one east.
Here's the one east. Saw the top of his hat.
It was me climbing the ladder.
Same with me. One here.
Looking for some.
Got him?
There's some. Nope.
Was he on the roof?
Yeah.
His buddy's in this building now, first floor.
Yep. He's going to him. I can get the kill if he revives. You idiot.
Last one.
He's
Get him!
That's it.